Convention fever grips Los Angeles. The only major threat to Kennedy's hopes is Senate Majority Leader Lyndon Johnson.
Delegates are meeting with Kennedy right now.
Jack or Bob?
Teddy.
Christ, this place is infested.
In a surprising upset, Senator John Kennedy has won the West.
What? Hi, Jack.
You mind if I ask you a question, Lyndon?
You're out of your damn mind, Jack. All the liberals hate it.
We need Southerners.
There's no power in the vice presidency.
Power is where power goes. Guessing you Kennedys don't do a lot of deer hunting.
John Kennedy has been elected President of the United States.
I need to show a strong record on civil rights from the start.
Maybe they might listen to a Southerner who's on our side.
What makes you think he's on our side?
Well, those Kennedys must really hate you.
Those Harvard boys not going to tell us how to run the state of Georgia.
You're going to lose the support of the people who've always had your back.
This train is leaving the station. You can hop on it with me and try to slow the damn thing down. If I'm gonna make a run in 68, I'm gonna need people like me. Shut the door.
How could anybody not like him?
We've got Martin Luther King writing letters from a jail cell. It's an embarrassment around the world.
If you submit this bill now, it will never become law.
What are we waiting for?
A new leader has emerged.
America has a Southern president.
You don't waste any time, do you, Lyndon?
Excuse me? Rather not have it than have it this way.
Kennedy is a man of great ideas. Now the country needs a man who can deliver.
There will be no compromise. This is about making President Kennedy's vision a reality.
This will define your presidency.
I can only hope.